To update Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL software, start by opening Settings, then scroll to the very bottom and select System. Then you're going to select the Software Update option. You're then going to select System Update and you select Check for an update. If a new update is available, and I'll turn off AirPlay mode to check, then you can install the update, great. If you've been on an old software for a very long time and there's no more updates available, well, that means Google has stopped supporting your Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, or if you're watching this on another Google Pixel, that model or phone. So that means you either stay on your existing software or you buy a new Google Pixel or a new phone to continue getting software updates. That's your only options.